everyone, I'm Kate Schwanke and welcome back to my channel for another fun video. Today I am opening a set of dishes for you guys that I think I have probably wanted since 1997. And that is the Corelle Country Cottage collection. So I very casually mentioned to my mom a couple weeks ago that I was kind of tired of the plain white Corelle that we have. And I love Corelle, not only because it's kind of cheaper to purchase, but it's super easy to find replacements. They're very durable. My kids have dropped these and they've stayed whole for the most part. I think out of the 18 years of marriage that I've had these, I think only 2 of either my plates or my bowls have small nicks out of them, which is fabulous, like, right? I've got 3 kids and a husband, and somehow after all these years, only 2 of my dishes have nicks. That's insane. So when I casually mentioned to my mom that I've secretly always wanted the Country Cottage set and I was kind of just bored with the plain white, she was so sweet. Went ahead and ordered me an entire new set of all Country Cottage. Like, that is amazing. And I just love her so much. So I wanted to share this with you guys today, partially because I wanted to thank her for buying me a whole new set of dishes, but also because this is such a time-tested print. And like I mentioned, it came out in 1997. So this is an older print, but I feel like it's still relevant today. Not only that, you could purchase it at Walmart, Amazon, and Target. I think she purchased all of this on Amazon. So I'm gonna go ahead and link you guys to all the places that this is sold. And if you guys want it for yourselves, I highly recommend it. These plates and dishes are just so durable for kids, but not only that, they're also cute. So let's go ahead and get started. I think I'm gonna start with this big box here. This is an 18-piece set. It includes salad plates, I believe, dinner plates, and dessert plates. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna show, oh, actually this has bowls. I was totally wrong. I think the dessert plates or the salad plates are in another box. But I'm gonna show you guys each piece that this set comes with. These are the bowls. These ones do not have a print, and I don't think most of their bowls usually do unless they're the really deep ones. But their bowls on their own look like this. I have to walk around an island to show you guys. But they look like this. There is a sagey green type of stripe, and then you have a very pale blue stripe in there as well. Hopefully you guys can see that. So that's what the bowls look like. And I'm more of a huge fan of the actual print itself. So that had the bowls. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bowls. Next, it looks like we have some plates, and I love these. So I have 2 here. And they're all very well padded in between. I think they do 3 plates, padding, and then, yeah, so I have 6 plates. Show you guys these. I love this pattern. How cute is that? And I wanted to show you guys too, something that actually kind of spurred this whole me wanting the Country Cottage collection was actually this, and I don't know why I didn't pull it out before I left it down in here. It's in one of my cabinets, and I use this all the time, but I actually found it at one of our local flea markets, and it was the Country Cottage colander, and I loved it. How cute is that? I don't believe these are still purchasable unless you happen to find one on Etsy or eBay or something like that, but I just happened to come across it in one of my favorite flea markets. So I had to buy that. When I saw it, I was like, that is so cute. And then I discovered that these were still available. So I just had to have the whole set. Love it. Thanks, Mom. So there's 6 plates, 6 bowls, and I think, let's see. Oh, and then the dessert plates. So 6 dessert plates. These are really cute. There we go. And the great thing is that they're still like white on the edges. So all of my current plain stuff is also white on the edges. So unless you're looking at it, you really don't know. So if I needed extra plates, as if 12 weren't enough, then I still have my old stuff too. So those are the dessert plates. And then the exact same stuff is in the second box, so I don't think I'm gonna go through that, but I have basically 12 of all of these pieces. This is the second box. And then she also got me two of this, which I cannot remember what's in here. Oh, these are the salad plates. I just love this size. We use this size a ton in my house. I use it for putting garlic bread on and things like that. The size is actually 8.5 inches across, so it's a decent sized plate. And this set has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as well. So I have 6 of like everything, actually 12 of everything. So here's some more. Here's the other 6. My counter is starting to look really pretty, by the way. All right, and then there's this huge box here, which I'm not like 100% sure what's in here, but I think it's some soup bowls, and those get used around here a ton. My husband likes to use them as cereal bowls, and to me, personally, this is to me a cereal bowl, okay? I don't need more cereal than that. But a full-grown man, yeah, maybe he needs that. Oh yeah, that is what's in here. All right, and those stack up pretty tall. So she got me like 12 of these as well. And that's all that's in here, but I do want to show you guys what they look like. My next step is actually going to have to be washing everything to make sure everything's nice and clean for us to use. But I think before that, I might want to stick it into my cabinet, and you guys can see with me how it looks, because I actually really love these bowls. These bowls are probably my favorite thing in the whole set because they actually have the design on the edge. I think Amazon is a really good place if you're looking to find a particular piece that you want a lot of. So I think that's why she did it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so I've got 12 of these. Isn't that cute? I just love this. I'll show you guys one so you can see. So cute. I love it, and I just think this print just looks good with all of my aqua stuff, doesn't it? So, all right, let's go ahead and put everything away, and you guys can see with me how well it stacks up. Hopefully you guys can see this okay, but this is currently how I have my cabinet set up, and I have obviously got a lot of Corelle, and it's been amazing over the years. So there's some pieces like up here that I do not have in the new set, and they are gonna look just great paired up with all of my country cottage stuff. Up there, of course, I have all of my KitchenAid bowls that I'm obsessed with. I will link you guys here to a video with all of my pieces. I love them. At the very top, I have another KitchenAid bowl and my Tiffany & Co. bread basket, which is my favorite. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out all of my old Corelle that I have doubles of in the new stuff and put it away or donate it, I'm not sure yet. And then all the things that are not in my new set, I'm gonna keep. So let's get to it. I'm also getting rid of all these plastic bowls because my kids are finally out of that stage where I can't really trust them with glass. So I'm so happy about that. So we are moving on from all of the Target stuff, but you guys, these Target plates, lifesaver for the longest time. I love them. Highly recommend them. I will link them down below. So I've taken out all the things that I already have. Now what I'm gonna do with this shelf is actually move it up one more notch so that it gives this plate rack topping more space. And I'm probably gonna replace this at some point. It's just a cheapo Walmart one. And I have some that I like even better than that from Target, so I think I'm gonna do that. But for right now it works. But I do think I am gonna move this whole tray up just a hair so that I have more room for all my new plates since I have 12 of everything. I had to get a step stool for this part. The problem with being 5'2", guys. Can't do anything without a little bit of help. Now all I'm doing is moving these brads up to the next hole, and it's very likely that in your own cabinetry that you can do that, and it's a little bit more personalized, and you guys can make it work for you. So I love that. Here we go. Right. Perfect. One more inch or two available for my dishware, so that's just great. Let's go ahead and fill it up. Everything fits great. I think there's only a couple things I wasn't able to fit up here, like my ramen bowl. But other than that, I think I'm very well stocked. I don't think I'm gonna have to use my white plates and things unless it's an emergency or I just need an extra plate here or there. Very happy with how it looks. Thanks so much, Mom. I love everything. Once again, if you guys see anything in this video that you've got to have, I'm gonna link everything down in the description below. If you guys enjoyed this video and found it fun, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. Thanks for watching.